Alright, what's going on YouTube? Just got to the first place. We are gonna get all of our stuff loaded out of the truck, go upstairs. I'll probably show you all a little bit as we go, and we can go from there. So. Alright. So we got a little setup going on. Two pack out, well, they'll crash the pack out boxes. It's an 80-foot acute settling tank, or all-gun tank. Some fill rod. An old trusty Mac star. And helmet. Matt, I need my outlaw leather hood is I need to pick up a battery on the way up, on the way to the next job. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's follow me. All right, so as you can see, we got that done. Sorry for the loud music. Tried dimming it down somewhat in the video. Did what I could. That was another employees of the restaurant. They were cleaning and stuff, and they like the music that loud. So whatever. Hey, all in all, the job worked out pretty well. We didn't have too much issues. It went according to plan for the most part. I know some of y'all may have done that a little bit differently. Maybe got as clean as it could with the oil brush. Other than that, we just TIG welded it up using I use 316 stainless welding rods, 1/16 in diameter. It seemed to work pretty well. Do a fair bit of repairs there. The couple things what I was working on, they're all line drawers, under counter refrigeration. They break them all the time, so usually the factory weld is quite small on them, and then we'll go in and put a beefier weld to hopefully hold them, make them last longer. So, and if we can weld both sides, we do. Just depends on application. But yeah, so that is what we all have going on. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all want some more content like that, let me know in the comment description, or not comment, in the comments below. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more. I appreciate y'all. See ya.